Fine. Today topic is pin diagram of 8255 IC. The 8255 IC has 40 pins. Let us see all these 40 pins, how they are connected. See there how we have seen the architecture of a 8255 IC. So port A is represented on the top of the architecture circuit. So port A, all 8 bits are connected from A0 to A7. Next one is similarly port B is connected at the lower side. From 18 pin to the 25 pin at the lower side, the port B is connected. Now the port C is upper side, lower side. See that this is a port, upper part of PC7 to PC4 and PC0 to PC3, lower part is connected. So all 3 ports are connected. Next one is the data pins. See that the data pins are connected here. Now all 8 into 4, 32 pins are over. Now let us see all these pins first, how they functioned now. So the first one is port A, 8 bits are connected, all 8 pins PA7 to PA0. What this port A, it can be act as a IO pins. It can send a data to output device and also it will receive data from the input device. So this is from port 1 to 4 and port 37 to 40. The remaining ports also same, port B and port C. They will act as a IO pins that can send data and also that those can receive data from the input device. So these are all port operations which are connected to the all pins. Now the data. Now what is the data? It is a bidirectional data D7 to D0. So these data pins are used to transfer the data between 8086 and our 8255 PPI. See there, 8255 PPI. It can use it to transfer data, to receive data from 8255 to 8086. This is pin number 27 to 33. See the pin number 27 to all pins 8 bits are connected until up to D0 to D7. Now see that this is the common pins to any IC, any electronic IC, that is we require power. So the VCC is given at 26 pin and the ground is given at pin number 7. This is the output pin, this is the input pin, and one more pin reset. To clear all data we are going to be use this reset. So this is a function of a ground, VCC and reset. Now the last pins, all pins. To read write operation by selecting the chip, we are using these all pins. See there, to read write operation, read prime, write prime and CS bar, by selecting the chip we can operate read write operation in the during the data transfer. What is A1, A0? We can select the port A, port B, port C. Now let us see the detailed read write operation during the selection of a ports. See there. Now what is this now? There is a, we select the port A by selecting the 00. By selecting A1 0, A0 1, we select the port B. Now the data on a port A will be transferred to data bus. Now same thing that will be happen for port B. The data on a port B is transferred to data bus, like that port C also. So now this operation used as a input operation. Similarly you can use the all ports as a output operation. How it is? Just we can take same port A operation, port B operation and port C operation. How it is? We are taking the low active signal of a RD bar is 1. Now the write operation will be performed here by taking the data on a bus to the port A, by transferring the data bus on port B. Same thing on port C. This is the output operation. This is the entire operation of a pin diagram 8255 IC. Generally the students will writing the exam 8255 IC, it is something difficult to understand this one. So better to understand by using the how they learn the architecture. Same similar manner the pin diagram also. Port A is upper part, port B is in lower part, whereas port is upper pins on top side, lower pins on bottom side. Remaining data bus is 8 pins. So this is a simple way to understand the pin diagram to write the exams. Now it is the time to take screenshot, enter screenshot. Our next one is the read write operation also. You can take a screenshot. See you all.